Hey guys, my name is Kate and today we'll discuss the following topic: why onboarding is an essential part of the DAO community. Traditional SaaS companies prepare new employees to execute a predefined roles or train new customers to use the product effectively. DAOs are different. A person looks for tasks and opportunities in the DAO by himself. He or she is a proactive person ready to participate in any kind of job. However, there's usually a lot of fear and uncertainty among new members. People may not be able to find the info or not know how to contribute. To find and complete the chosen tasks in a fast and effective way, he or she should know answers to 3 main questions. The first question is, why the work is done. DAO philosophy and values are essential. Create live sessions to discuss those. The second question is, how the work is done. DAO governance and technical part is included here. What tools and services do you use? Calendars and time zones, desk with the tasks, roadmaps, and deadlines are here to help. The third question is, who does the work and how the work in the team is done on a day-to-day basis. The ways to socialize and work together, a personal advisor, informal chats, channels with memes might really help here. To make an onboarding process easier, you have to, first, store this info in one place where all the processes, community backstory, FAQs, and jokes are described there step by step. Forget about Discord service at the very beginning. Second, be precise. A lot of info may scare the person away. Third, create a welcome committee. They will invite and guide new people in the community, help to share their path and improve skills, identify lost members, and answer to so many questions. And the fourth thing is, validate new members. Learn more about their hobbies, time zones, daily planning, and experience. Answer their question as fast as possible. Ask for their ideas and feedback. It can change the community for the better. The DAO onboarding process is successful if every member is confident and knows where to find the info, has needed knowledge and shares the necessary info, and understands the structure, values, and actions of DAO. They are transparent. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel to learn more about DAOs. Thank you. Bye-bye.